Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for lifestyle enhancement and personal development. Here at HouseLux, we're passionate about helping you enrich your life, one video at a time. We believe in the power of personal growth, and our mission is to provide you with the tools and inspiration you need to become the best version of yourself. Today, we're going to share something exciting, a guide to 10 good hobbies you can develop with time. These are activities that not only fill your leisure hours, but also expand your knowledge, skills, and perception of the world. They're hobbies that can bring a sense of fulfillment, joy, and even tranquility into your life. So, whether you're looking for a new passion or just want to diversify your leisure time, we've got you covered. Now, without further ado, let's dive into these enriching hobbies. First on our list is gardening. Whether you're cultivating a single plant on your windowsill or managing an entire backyard ecosystem, gardening offers a multitude of rewards. This hobby is not just about growing pretty flowers or delicious vegetables. It's also a way to stay active and engage with the world around you. As a physical activity, gardening helps to improve strength and flexibility, and it's a great stress reliever too. There's something incredibly therapeutic about getting your hands in the soil, nurturing plants from seed to bloom. It requires patience and attention, qualities that can help us in other areas of life. Moreover, gardening connects us to nature in a profound way. It makes us more aware of the seasons, the weather, and the intricate web of life in which we're entwined. It reminds us of our responsibility to the environment and can instill a sense of peace and tranquility. Gardening, a hobby that keeps you grounded while nurturing life. Moving on, our second hobby is cooking. A delightful journey into the world of flavors, aromas, and textures. Cooking is an art that can be as simple or as complex as you wish. It's a hobby that opens up a world of creativity, allowing you to experiment and innovate with different ingredients and techniques. The beauty of cooking lies in its therapeutic benefits, the rhythmic chopping of vegetables, the sizzle of spices, the simmering of sauces. It's almost meditative. It's an activity that engages all your senses, helping you to focus on the present moment and, in turn, reducing stress and anxiety. And let's not forget the joy of sharing. When you cook, you're not just feeding yourself, you're creating something to share with others. The satisfaction of seeing your loved ones enjoy a meal you've prepared is unparalleled. So why not give cooking a try? Cooking, a delightful hobby that feeds both the body and soul. Next up, we have reading. Reading, an ageless hobby that has been cherished by many over centuries, holds a significant place in our lives. It's more than just interpreting words on a page. It's about embarking on a journey to the vast unknown, broadening our horizons, and deepening our understanding of the world and its intricacies. Reading is a gateway to different cultures, time periods, and perspectives. It fuels our imagination, sparks creativity, and cultivates empathy by allowing us to experience life through someone else's lens. It's like having a conversation with the best minds of any era. Moreover, the cognitive benefits of reading are immense. It enhances our vocabulary, improves our memory and concentration, and even helps to reduce stress. Reading keeps our brain active and engaged, reducing the risk of cognitive decline in the later stages of life. Reading, a hobby that takes you to different worlds without leaving your chair. At number 4, we have photography. This isn't simply about pointing and shooting a camera. It's an art form that lets you capture moments, emotions, and stories in a single frame. Photography allows you to see the world through a different lens, quite literally. It trains your eye to notice details that others might overlook, enhancing your observation skills and giving you a fresh perspective on everyday life. Moreover, photography holds immense potential as a career path. From wedding and event photography to photojournalism and wildlife photography, the possibilities are as broad as your imagination. But even if you're not looking to make a career out of it, photography can be a deeply satisfying hobby. It offers a creative outlet that can be both relaxing and stimulating. And the best part, every photograph you take is a memory frozen in time, a moment that can be revisited and shared. Photography, a hobby that allows you to freeze moments in time. Our 5th and 6th hobbies are yoga and meditation. These ancient practices have traveled through centuries, offering physical and mental benefits to those who embrace them. Yoga, a holistic approach to well-being, helps in improving flexibility, strength, and balance. It's not just about bending and twisting, it's a journey of self-discovery, a path to unite the body, mind, and spirit. Meditation, on the other hand, is the art of silencing the mind, allowing you to connect with your inner self. It aids in reducing stress, anxiety, and negative emotions. It's like a pause button in the hustle and bustle of life, offering a moment of peace and tranquility. Both yoga and meditation play a crucial role in fostering self-awareness. They teach you to listen to your body, understand your emotions, and cultivate mindfulness. They're not just hobbies, they're lifestyle choices that can transform your life. Yoga and meditation, hobbies that bring peace to your mind and strength to your body. 7th and 8th on our list are painting and writing. These hobbies are not just about creating art or penning down thoughts, they are gateways to the soul. Painting allows you to express your emotions in a canvas of colors. It's a therapeutic process, a silent conversation between your brush and your heart. On the other hand, writing is a journey in self-discovery. It helps you articulate your thoughts, dreams, ideas, and emotions in words, making the abstract tangible. These hobbies don't just boost your creativity, they also enhance your problem-solving skills as you find ways to express complex ideas and feelings. They provide an escape from the daily grind and offer a space for reflection and contemplation. Moreover, if pursued with passion, they can even open doors to exciting career paths in the creative world. Imagine being a renowned painter or a best-selling author. Painting and writing, hobbies that let your creativity flow. 9th on our list is bird watching, a hobby that's more than just appreciating the beauty of our feathered friends. Bird watching brings a sense of tranquility and wonder, bridging the gap between us and the natural world. It's a hobby that encourages us to slow down, to pause and marvel at the intricacies of life that can often be overlooked in our fast-paced world. Every bird, from the smallest sparrow to the grandest eagle, holds a unique story, a different song to sing. As you delve deeper into this hobby, you'll find yourself developing a keen eye for detail and a patient heart. You'll learn to appreciate the quiet moments, the waiting, and the thrill of spotting a rare species. Bird watching, a gentle reminder that we share this world with creatures as diverse and beautiful as the birds in the sky. It's an adventure in your own backyard, a journey into the heart of nature. Bird watching, a hobby that brings you closer to nature. Last but not least, we have astronomy. It's an age-old fascination that has captivated human curiosity for thousands of years. As we gaze into the vast expanse of the cosmos, we can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. This hobby isn't just about stargazing, it's about exploring the mysteries of the universe. From understanding the life cycle of stars to unraveling the complexities of galaxies far away, astronomy offers an endless trove of knowledge. It's about traveling through time and space, right from the comfort of your own backyard. And the beauty of astronomy is that it never ceases to surprise. Whether it's spotting a shooting star, observing the rings of Saturn, or tracking the phases of the moon, every observation is a new discovery. It's a hobby that constantly reminds us of our place in the universe and the vastness that lies beyond our tiny blue planet. Astronomy, a hobby that opens up the universe for you. And there you have it, 10 enriching hobbies to develop with time. We've journeyed through the calming paths of gardening and cooking, explored the vast landscapes of knowledge through reading, and captured moments of beauty with photography. We've found inner peace and balance with yoga and meditation, expressed our deepest thoughts and emotions through painting and writing, observed the tranquil beauty of birdwatching, and gazed upon the mysteries of the universe with astronomy. These hobbies don't just fill our time, they enrich our lives, allowing us to grow, learn, and discover new aspects of ourselves. They provide us with a sense of accomplishment, a way to express our creativity, and avenues to unwind and relax. They can also help us connect with others who share similar interests. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos. Remember, it's never too late to start a new hobby.